Off-Leash Canine Training. I'm here with Jax, our newest board and train member. He was dropped off this morning. His owners have no major issues with him besides his jumping off. He's constantly jumping on people, you know, when they're walking through the door, if they're walking from the living room to the kitchen. Part of it's probably he just wants to play, but he's constantly jumping up on them. They have two little kids, so it's not necessarily a behavior that they're going to let continue. Basically, they're sending him to us, you know, they want all his basic obedience down. They want him to listen when they ask him to do something. You know, as of right now, he doesn't really listen to what anybody says, pretty much. He's just worried about, you know, getting their attention and any ways possible. So we're going to show him all the good ways to get attention. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what he knows now. Come, come. Jax, come. Come, come on. Come. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Good job. Jax, sit. Off. Off. Jax, sit. Sit. Off. Jax, sit. Sit. Good job. Good sit, buddy. Good sit. Off. Off. Jax. Sit. Nope. Off. Jax. Sit. Sit. Good. Down. Nope. Down. 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 Off. Off. Jax, heel. Heel. Come on. Heel. 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 So as you guys can see, he listens to sit, doesn't necessarily stay in it. He's way too worried about, you know, making his next move rather than listening to us. So we'll show you guys his progress over the next 2 weeks.
We would only sit. Right heel.
Good boy.
Down. Jack's down. Jack's down. Good boy. Good boy, Jax. Good boy. Good boy. Scratchies? You want scratchies?
Vincent, and Jax is 8 months old, and we just had him trained, and it's a world of a difference. He is now listening to me. He's following commands, and he's a good boy. He's really good behavior. He's very good, and we're very happy. Right, Jax?
Awesome.
Was that good?